So I just got this today. Decided I need to wash this little guy because he's stinky poo. Do have it on a little bit of a higher temperature. Reasons why is because when I go inside, I feel it. It's not too much on him is what I'm noticing, and the fact that I had it lowered and it felt like it was blowing more cold air on him. Other than that, the two doors do open. I wouldn't, if your cat is scared, is my advice, don't have it all the way up because they're gonna try to put their head in, try to escape, and it's a hazard. I noticed. That was my delay response. The learning curve's here. And then he was nervous. He's my actual calm cat. My other one is somewhere around here, and I don't think he would tolerate this, honestly. But so far we're 20 to 25 minutes in. I had to keep changing, adjusting the knobs and everything, so I kept changing the time with it. And so far he's drying up well. Underbelly, not so much, I'm noticing. That's the only downside. Don't know how, because I noticed that the ears coming below, going up. As you can see, he's a scary little kitten. I feel bad for my little guy, but also he hates the blow dryer worse. So we're gonna see how long he can adjust, like until he realizes this is not as scary as it is. I do have it on level 2. I had it at 3. 4, it is too much on them, so I will say that's a lot. My advice is you can grab a book and watch him or her, whichever animal you have in there too as well. Look at the buddy. And he's trying to be a protective brother too. And just supervise, because you do need to supervise so you know what temperature works for them. Because you don't want to fry them, there's a difference. But he's drying up pretty well on top, so the air above blowing down below is going good. The one below going up, not so much, as you can tell.
I usually dry on 99. I keep my poodles short, so this is what it sounds like. I started on 1. You can hear it.
It is very quiet. These things do not work like they say. if you try to follow the directions and change things, like hardly ever get it to work. And like for instance, hit your settings and then I'll get it to the temperature so it'll flash, and then that should be plus or minus. Sometimes, or at least once, I got it to work. Today it wouldn't work no matter what I did, but I got it to go to quick dry using mode, so I went with that. Obviously the cat hates it. She's a cat.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?